On September 12, California confirmed the first death due to monkeypox in the United States this year. The person was a Los Angeles County resident. This is the first known death from monkeypox to be reported in this country. The resident was severely immunocompromised and had been hospitalized, according to a release of the Los Angeles Department of Public Health. No further information about individuals such as age, gender, or ethnicity was shared by the department, which cited a need to protect confidentiality and privacy. Persons severely immunocompromised who suspect they have monkeypox are encouraged to seek medical care and treatment early. They should remain under the care of a provider during their illness, said the department. Nearly 22,000 monkeypox cases had been confirmed in the United States as of September 12, according to the latest data from the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. So far, among U.S. states, California has the most confirmed cases, or 4,300, followed by New York with 3,591 cases, and Florida with 2,193 cases.